Pretty much everything you touch every day, your phone, that coffee mug, the chair you're sitting in, it was all born inside a factory. But behind every single one of those things is a process of just mind-boggling complexity. So today, we're going to pull back the curtain on the invisible force that orchestrates it all, the software that acts as a digital brain for modern manufacturing.
So think about it. How does that happen? How does a simple idea, maybe from a customer's first phone call, become a real, physical object that you can hold? Well, it's not magic, that's for sure. It's more like a highly coordinated dance between data, machines, and people. And every great dance needs a choreographer.
And just look at this. This really gives you a sense of the scale we're talking about. A modern factory floor is just this storm of activity. To conduct this massive orchestra of moving parts, you absolutely need a central nervous system, one single brain that sees everything and connects everything. And that's the big idea behind a system like OptiForge.
So where does this whole journey even begin? You might be surprised to hear it's not with a machine, but with a conversation. Let's trace it all the way back to that very first phone call.
Okay, so imagine you're running a factory. You might get hundreds of inquiries. Some are serious customers ready to go, and, well, some are just kicking the tires. If you chase down every single one, you're going to waste a ton of time and money. So the very first puzzle to solve is, where do you even begin? And this is where that digital brain kicks in right away. Instead of the sales team just going off a gut feeling, the system's AI is busy analyzing thousands of past customer interactions. It then looks at each new lead and gives it a score, a probability of it turning into a real sale. So that 78% you see, that's not a guess. It's the system telling the team, hey, this one's hot. Focus your energy right here.
And just like that, the whole process gets streamlined. The best leads get identified automatically. The system then helps generate a super accurate quote based on materials and labor costs. And then, with just a click, a promising phone call becomes a live project, ready to hit the factory floor.
All right, the order is officially in. So now we're moving from the front office to the real heart of the operation, the factory floor. This is where the metal gets cut and the actual products are born.
Now, back in the day, a factory manager's job meant walking. A lot of walking. Miles a day, clipboard in hand, checking on machines, talking to operators, trying to spot problems with their own two eyes. It worked, but it was totally reactive and really depended on intuition.
Today, it is a completely different world. This dashboard is like a live EKG for the entire factory. It's tracking something called OEE, Overall Equipment Effectiveness, which is really just a fancy way of asking three simple questions. Are our machines running? How fast are they going? And are they making good parts? That performance score isn't a report from yesterday, it's a hard fact updated to this very second.
Okay, so having all that data is amazing, but you do lose some of that physical, on-the-ground feel for the factory. But what if? What if you could have that bird's eye view from the data and the ground-level perspective, all without ever leaving your desk?
And this is where things get truly mind-bending. Welcome to what's called the digital twin. Now, this is not just a fancy 3D model. Oh no, this is a living, breathing, data-powered replica of your entire factory running in perfect sync with what's happening in the real world.
The really crucial thing to get here is that this isn't a static image. Every single piece of equipment you see on this screen is live linked to its physical twin out on the floor. So if a machine starts to overheat in reality, it flashes red here on the screen instantly. This lets managers find problems from anywhere, test out a new factory layout without moving a single heavy machine, and this is the most powerful part, predict when a part is going to fail before it actually breaks. You're shifting from just fixing problems to preventing them from ever happening at all.
Now, as cool as the factory floor is, it's still just one piece of this giant puzzle. The true power of a system like this is how it connects every single department. So let's zoom out and see what that really looks like.
This slide right here shows you the power of having one connected brain. On the left, you see a dashboard flagging a delay from a key supplier. In an old, disconnected system, that info might sit with the logistics team for days. But here, because everything is connected, the financial dashboard on the right instantly recalculates the company's profit margins and cash flow. Every single operational hiccup has an immediate and totally visible financial impact.
And that web of connectivity touches absolutely everything. We're talking warehouse stock levels, employee payroll, project management, financial accounting. It's all part of the same digital brain, all sharing the same data and all working together seamlessly. Take inventory, for instance. It's not just about counting how many boxes you have.
The system uses something called ABC analysis to automatically sort your stock. Think of it this way. Class A items are your most valuable. They might make up 70% of your inventory's value. The system tells you to watch these like a hawk. Class C items, on the other hand, are the low-value nuts and bolts. You need them, but you don't need to stress about them as much. It's all about smart prioritization.
So when you put all of these pieces together, from that first sales call to the digital twin on the factory floor, all the way to the final financial report, what have you actually created? Well, at the end of the day, what you've really created is clarity. You've taken the potential chaos of manufacturing and turned it into an orchestrated success. By using AI to make smarter choices, creating a living digital twin, and connecting every single department, you give everyone in the company the exact same, all-seeing view of the business. One single, undeniable source of truth.
This kind of technology is fundamentally changing how we make things. It's making our factories more efficient, way more resilient, and a whole lot smarter. So the final thought I want to leave you with is this. When the very places that build our world are given a digital brain of their own, what incredible new possibilities will they dream up for all of us?